Good morning, student. Student, which country do we live in?
Ma'am, we live in India.
Student, when did our India become independent? Ma'am, our India became independent on 15 August 1947. Student, which great persons contribute in the independence of India?
Ma'am, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi helped in the independence of India.
Student, what do you know about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? So, student, today we will study about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose in detail. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter. He was also known as Netaji. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in a Hindu family in Cuttack, Odisha. His father's name was Janki Nath Bose and his mother's name was Prabhavati Devi. He was very brilliant student in the school. He completed his schooling from Cuttack, matriculation from Calcutta, now Kolkata, and BA from the University of Calcutta in 1918. Later his father sent him to England to appear in the Indian Civil Services ICS examination. He passed and joined the service. But soon he resigned from the Indian Civil Services and returned to India to participate in the freedom movement. He was very much influenced by the nationalist Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, his political guru. He motivated the people to join the freedom struggle. Subhash Chandra Bose strongly opposed British rule through the newspaper called Swaraj. He went away to Singapore and formed his own Indian National Army INA, also known as Azad Hind Fauj. He gave the slogan to his army, Delhi Chalo and Jai Hind. He inspired his army through his great words, Give me blood and I will give you freedom, to make his motherland free from the rule of the Britishers. It is believed that Netaji died in a plane crash in Taiwan in 1945. But the mystery of his death is still unsolved. Netaji will always be alive within the heart of every Indian as an everlasting inspiration. Now, student, you will learn about some word meaning of this lesson and you will also repeat with me. Freedom, it means Swatantrata Senani. Brilliant, it means Pratibhashali. Resigned, it means istifa diya. Nationalist, it means Rashtravadi. Student, which Indian freedom fighter is known as Netaji?
Subhash Chandra Bose is known as Netaji.
Student, when was Subhash Chandra Bose born? Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897. Student, why did Subhash Chandra Bose resign from the Indian Civil Services?
Ma'am, Subhash Chandra Bose resigned from the Indian Civil Services because he wanted to actively participate in India's freedom movement.
Student, who was the political guru of Subhash Chandra Bose?
Ma'am, Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das was Subhash Chandra Bose's political guru.
Student, what does INA stand for?
Ma'am, INA stands for Indian National Army.